Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best one-blade replacement is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone looking to maintain the pristine performance of their grooming device, ensuring a consistently smooth and comfortable shave or trim every single time without the need for frequent, costly replacements, and this pack offers an economical and convenient solution for keeping your grooming routine uninterrupted and your skin looking its best. Number 5. Philips Norelco OneBlade Anti-Friction Blade 2-Pack. Keep your grooming routine sharp with genuine replacement blades. These are designed specifically for your OneBlade electric shaver and trimmer. Experience a smoother shave with our advanced anti-friction technology. It glides effortlessly across your skin, reducing irritation. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these blades are built to last. Enjoy consistent performance for all your grooming needs. Achieve any style with ease. These versatile blades allow you to trim, edge, and shave any length of hair precisely. This pack includes 2 replacement blades, ensuring you always have a fresh one ready. Maintain optimal performance for longer. Ensure you're getting the perfect fit with model QP22580. It's the authentic replacement designed for your device. What we like. Experience a smoother shave with its anti-friction coating. Its durable stainless steel ensures longevity. If you're looking for a blade that offers versatility for trimming, edging, and shaving all in one, this is a great choice for maintaining your style with ease. What people say. The blades feel sharp and durable, giving a smooth shave without pulling or irritation. It's nice that one blade works for trimming, edging, and shaving, so I don't have to switch tools or attachments. These anti-friction blades feel noticeably more comfortable than the regular ones. The shave feels smoother and I get much less irritation, especially around my neck, which is usually sensitive. Number 4. Philips QP23050 Replacement Blade. Introducing the Philips QP23050 Replacement Blade. This pack contains 3 pieces, ensuring you have a spare when you need it. Designed for durability, these blades maintain their sharpness for extended use. Enjoy consistent performance with every shave. Replacing your blade is simple and quick. Just pop out the old one and insert the new one for a fresh start. These blades are specifically designed for a perfect fit with your compatible Philips shaver. Experience a smooth and comfortable shave. Get great value with this 3-piece pack. Keep your grooming routine efficient and effective with these essential replacements. What we like. Get a convenient pack of 3 for long-lasting use. These blades offer efficient cutting for a clean finish. If you prefer having spares readily available and value a straightforward replacement process, this pack is ideal for uninterrupted grooming. What people say. The Philips OneBlade Replacement Blade QP22050 delivers excellent performance. It stays sharp and cuts smoothly every time. The blades are meticulously engineered for precision and comfort, making grooming effortless and irritation-free. Each replacement fits perfectly and installs in seconds, no fuss, no compatibility issues. These blades maintain their sharpness far longer than expected, which speaks to the premium-grade materials and thoughtful design Philips is known for. Number 3. Philips OneBlade Replacement Blades, 3-Pack. Meet the Philips OneBlade Replacement Blades, designed for your face and body. This pack includes 3 essential blades for long-lasting use. Enjoy versatile grooming with these blades. They are expertly crafted to handle both your facial hair and body grooming needs with ease. Never run out of sharp blades again. This convenient pack of 3 ensures you always have a fresh blade ready when you need it. Experience consistent and effective trimming with each blade. They are built to maintain their sharpness for optimal performance over time. Swapping out your blades is simple and quick. Keep your one blade in top condition with these easy-to-install replacements. Elevate your grooming experience with these high-quality replacement blades. They are the perfect accessory to maintain your one blade's cutting efficiency. What we like. This kit is designed for comprehensive face and body grooming. With 3 blades, you're set for extended use. If you need a single solution for maintaining both your facial hair and body hair, this pack offers the convenience and versatility you're looking for. What people say. The blades are sharp and durable, providing a close and comfortable shave. Easy to install and replace, ensuring uninterrupted grooming. The pack offers great value, with 3 blades lasting for a considerable time. Number 2. Philips Norelco OneBlade Replacement Blades. Discover the Philips Norelco OneBlade Replacement Blades, designed for your grooming needs. Keep your OneBlade performing at its best with these genuine replacements. Experience a smooth and comfortable shave or trim every time. These blades are engineered to deliver precision and ease of use for all your styling. Enjoy consistent performance that lasts. Each blade is built for durability, ensuring you get the most out of your grooming tool. This pack includes 3 replacement blades, offering great value and convenience. You'll always have a fresh blade ready when you need it. Trust in the genuine quality of Philips Norelco. These blades are specifically designed for your OneBlade, ensuring perfect compatibility and optimal results. Easily maintain your signature look with these essential replacements. They help you achieve the perfect stubble, edge, or trim with confidence. What we like. Ensure optimal performance with these genuine replacement blades. This pack comes with 3 blades for your convenience. If you prioritize using authentic parts for your shaver to guarantee reliable results and a consistent shave, these are the blades you should choose. What people say. I have a very thick beard, but these cartridges will give me excellent shaves for about 4 months. All I do is rinse and dry after use. Great razor blades last for months. Good fit as described. Number 1. Partners Brand Replacement Blade for C22 Dispenser. Ensure your C22 dispenser is always ready with these high-quality replacement blades. They are designed for a perfect fit and optimal performance. Specifically engineered for the 3M C22 tabletop dispenser, these blades offer a seamless integration. You can count on them for consistent results. Featuring a sleek silver finish, these blades are not only functional but also add a touch of durability. They are built to last. Replacing your old blade is a breeze with this design. It's straightforward to install, minimizing downtime. Proudly made in the United States, these replacement blades represent quality craftsmanship. You're getting a product you can trust. With compact packaging dimensions, these blades are easy to store and handle. They are designed for efficiency in every aspect. What we like. This blade is specifically designed for the 3M C22 dispenser. Its durable construction ensures it holds up to regular use. If you own the C22 dispenser and need a replacement blade that guarantees a perfect fit and reliable function, this is the only option you should consider. What people say. The blade fits my very old tape dispenser, and works perfectly. The new blade cuts well. Great. Durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.